Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. In this channel, today in lecture 14, we shall discuss the configuration of the CD section in the CICD for the React.js. In order to get help on Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure Web CICD, you can contact on this WhatsApp number. All video on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please search for DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In lecture number 14, today we shall discuss the React.js CD configuration in the continuous delivery section. So in the step 1, first of all, in the Azure DevOps, we shall click on the release link. After that, when we click on the release link, you will find the interface like this. In the combo box new, you will select the new release pipeline, this one. When you click on this new release pipeline, you will get the interface like this one. In this interface, you will click on the empty job link. You will click on the empty job link in the next step. When you click on the empty job link, you will get this interface. Working folder should contain the package.json. After that, when you click on the save button, you will get the interface like this one. In the step 4, you will click on the add artifacts on this. When you click on this button, you will get this interface in the Azure DevOps environment. First of all, in the source section, you will select the project for which you are configuring the CD. After that, in the source build pipeline, you will select the pipeline. Pipeline name is test CI that you have performed in the previous lectures. And source alias will be _test CI. This will be the source alias will be configured automatically. After that, in the next step, you will click on the add button. When you click on the add button, you will get the interface. In step 5, you will get this interface like this one. When you click on the circle button, this one. When you click on the circle button, you will get the interface like this one. In this section, you will enable the continuous deployment trigger. In continuous deployment trigger, it is disabled in the start, but we need to enable this. When we click on the radio button, it will enable automatically. When we enable the continuous deployment trigger, on the completion of the CI successfully, our CD section triggered automatically. So after this, when you enable the continuous deployment trigger, press the save button. After this, you will get the interface like this in step 6. Now click on the one job button. On this interface, after saving in the previous step, you will click on the one job link. When you click on the one job link, you will find the interface like this one. In this case, when you click on the plus button, you will get the different option for the plugin that will be used in the CD section of our Azure pipeline for React.js. So the next step will be completed in the next lecture. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by Senior DevOps Engineer. Wish you good luck for your career.